Welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'll share with you the recipe of chicken cheese sandwich, which I think is everyone's favorite and my family loves it too. So without wasting our time, let's get the recipe. In a pan, add oil, ginger garlic paste and saute it for 15 seconds. Add chicken, cook it till the water dries. Make sure the chicken is chopped into small pieces. Add chopped onion, carrot and capsicum and saute on high flame for 5 to 10 minutes. Now add salt, turmeric powder, pepper powder, chili powder and mix it well. Now add vinegar and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes more on high flame. For assembling the sandwich, take the bread slices, apply butter on one side each. Spread the chicken on the bread generously and add the cheese slice. Now toast the sandwich for 3 minutes for each side. Serve it with fries and ketchup. For more details, written recipe in the link below. So I hope you all enjoyed this cheesy goodness and do try it at home. Please like, share, comment and thank you for watching.